Hello and happy Tuesday. For reading and writing, remember this week we are starting to combine them into one assignment where you click on the titles, or actually you only have to click on one of the titles of the books in your writing journal to do your reading activities, and then you come back to your writing journal to respond to what you did in your reading activities. So you click on the title, and mine remembers from yesterday. So it doesn't have me log in to BookFlix. If yours doesn't remember, then there is this slide that reminds you what the username and the password are to sign in. So our two books today that we're reading are called All the World and Energy is Everywhere. So you can watch the story, All the World, and then you can read the book. Energy is Everywhere. Then today for puzzlers, you have a word match. And as always, you can dive deeper by exploring the web or meeting the creators. So when you're done, you go back to your writing slide and you write about something you found interesting about what you read. So a sentence starter you can use is I notice. Don't forget your period at the end. And then you can write about a question that you had as you read. So a great sentence starter for that is I wonder. And don't forget your question mark at the end. And then last but not least, you are making a connection to what you read. So a great sentence starter for that is this book reminds me of. Don't forget your period at the end. When you're done and you've read your writing to yourself and you've made sure it's your best, then go ahead and press the X and the blue turn-in button. Then please sign into Imagine Learning. And don't forget to practice your reading with books at your house or Epic Books as well.